Start by planning tile or vinyl layout to center visually and minimize cuts and waste. Measure the room carefully and calculate tile or plank counts with a 10% allowance for waste, then mark a clear center line from the doorway to the far wall to guide alignment. Dry fit full tiles or planks along that center line and along edges to see where narrow cuts would fall, and shift the starting line so cuts at walls are at least 1/4 of a tile wide for a balanced look. Prioritize full pieces where the door opens so the first impression shows unbroken material rather than tiny edge pieces. For rectangular tiles, consider a running bond or stacked layout depending on the visual scale you want, and orient planks parallel to the longest dimension to elongate the space. Use spacers or a chalk line to keep joints straight, and check alignment often, as adhesives can let pieces drift. If using click-lock vinyl, assemble rows fully before trimming to ensure seams remain tight. For wet areas, ensure corners and transitions have proper underlayment and a waterproofing membrane when required, and acclimate vinyl planks to room temperature for at least 48 hours to avoid later expansion gaps. Common mistakes are starting at the wrong wall, which often leaves a row of slivers at the threshold. Fix this by dry fitting and shifting your layout so full pieces face the entrance. Another issue is inconsistent joint spacing that creates a wavy appearance. Prevent this by using consistent spacers, snapping a chalk line, and verifying multiple reference lines as you work. A third problem is poor subfloor preparation, which leads to lippage or plank gaps. Remove high spots, fill low areas with a leveling compound, and use underlayment recommended by the manufacturer to create a flat, stable base. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and showcases real projects to inspire layout choices and material selection. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share photos so everyone can make more confident decisions.